Hello, Maxtivity artists. I'm Miss Julie, and I'm here today to help you with another art project. Today we're doing a sculpture out of paper. When we think of sculpture, we often think of clay or stone, marble, but today we're making a sculpture out of sticky notes. Now, if you don't have sticky notes, you could do the same thing with construction paper that you cut into squares. The squares should be at least this big. This is about 2 inches by 2 inches. They could be a little bigger, but you don't want them smaller. It'll be too hard to fold. So we're going to take some various colors of sticky notes or squares of construction paper that you cut out, and we're going to create a radial sculpture. Radial is like radius, which makes us think of halfway from the center of a circle to the edge of the circle, right? Across a circle. Think of a bicycle wheel and the spokes in the wheel. So we're going to show you some pictures of radial sculptures to give you an idea of what I mean by radial symmetry. And then we are going to make some simple sculptures using our sticky notes. So there's different folds that we can do with our sticky notes. Let's go over those before we get started. The first one is the hat fold. And the first thing we're going to do is fold our sticky note in half. So, folding it in half. Then I'm going to open it. Nope, then I'm not going to open it up. Then I'm going to fold it in half again. So I've got a little tiny square. Then I'm going to fold this corner down to the bottom and this corner down to the bottom. It's like a little hat, kind of. So that's, look, it stands up. That is the hat fold. So just to review, first we folded it in half, and then you don't have to fold it in half again. I just did that to make it easier. Then you take this point and fold it down to the middle, and this point and fold it down to the middle. All right. The next one is the kite fold. For the kite fold, we're going to fold it in half point to point to make a triangle instead of a rectangle. And then we're going to open it up, and I'm going to take this point and fold it in so that it lines up, this side lines up with the center. It's gonna look like a kite, see? So I take this side and I fold it up here so that this is kind of like a little kite shape. So this is like making a paper airplane. For this one, we're gonna fold it in half so it's a rectangle. Then we're gonna take the sticky end, and we're gonna fold back one side, just like we're making a paper airplane. Fold it back, just like that. Flip it over, and fold this one back too, just like that. Now, you can stick it now, because this is the sticky part, to your paper. And our first sculpture is going to be using a lot of those paper airplane kind of arrow folds. So I'm going to stick that down right about there. I'm going to do that again. Going to fold it in half and fold back the sticky end. Going to fold that back, and we're going to fold this back, and then I'm going to put that sticky part down right next to this one. I'm starting to create the center of my sculpture. I'm going to do 2 more of those over here. So we've used our paper airplane to get a basic kind of design going here. Paper airplane arrow fold. And we've stuck it down to some cardstock or construction paper would work. And now we're thinking about ways to incorporate the kite fold and the hat fold. You could do whatever you want. We're just giving you some ideas. You could do a zillion different kinds of sculptures, but I'm thinking it might be nice to put some hat folds down in these corners. And I'm gonna have to use some glue to glue that in. And then maybe I could stick a kite fold inside the hat. I could even put it this way if I wanted to. I think that looks cool. But I'm gonna have to glue that down. So that's what we're gonna do next. Some hat folds and some kite folds. And we'll have to show you again how to do that hat fold, because that was a little tricky. So we'll get on that.
Take your paper and fold it in half this way. Then fold it in half again so you have a middle crease. Open it back up. Next, you're gonna want to fold this corner up to the center line. It was like this, and now it's going like this. Do the same thing on the other side. Take this corner and put it up to the middle. Then crease it, and you have a little hat.
Ta-da! So, we've just created this interesting radial sculpture out of paper. Whoa, you could even do that. That's kind of cool. But you can see that with these three folds, and there's other folds you can do as well, but these are the three probably most basic folds. You can do all kinds of different things and create endless combinations of patterns. So I would challenge you to keep on going and try making a few other sculptures. So this sculpture could go this way or this way. It's up to you. It could even do this. Look at that. That's kind of cool. What if we make it round? What if we go like this? It can become lots of different things. That's kind of cool too. Endless possibilities. So experiment.